Hi, it's Teresa. I'm back with another junk journal that I want to share with you. This one is the size and shape of the traveler's notebook that I shared recently, but it's not a traveler's notebook. It's something totally different that I made for a friend of mine, intentionally trying to incorporate a lot of design elements that she might enjoy, including starting from the front, a little charm hanging off the tie that is cats, as she's a great cat lover. Not the only one I know. Yeah, and the paper was one that she picked. So the tie is just simple string right now. I'm not totally in love with the string as a closure, but I didn't have a ribbon that I really loved either. So maybe that'll change at some time. I'll find something that she can substitute, or she might have something. So let's do a quick flip through of this journal. I try to always have a pocket in the front with just a couple little cards, and I'll probably put the bookmaker's note in this pocket, or else the pocket at the end. And that's just the note explaining why I made it and what she can do with it. I think in this case she knows. As always, I try to include some paper that she should feel free to write all over, scribble all over, draw on, paint on, collage on, whatever helps her express it. I just am in love with some of these really beautiful, colorful digikits with butterflies, so I've included a page of that, and I think I'm doing that lately in most of my journals. This is a piece of avocado dyed paper with a little card tucked into it that says trust, believe, receive, as well as another one of these Japanese, like learn to write Japanese cards. And this one has the meaning of feeling affection, or as it gets more developed, it can mean mercy or compassion, which I think is good for this particular person, especially. Here's a page that is backed with scrapbook paper, and then some, like the trashy paper that I used to blot my painting on underneath here. And this is from a calendar page with this cute little bee on the flower. And I just folded it and made it into a pocket, and then I glued it under there, and there's space for more cards to be tucked under. It's a two-sided paper, so it's a pretty color here. This is a lighter weight paper with a pocket that I made from a one of the dictionaries that I'm taking apart, and a vintage botanical drawing of a red pepper. There's a little bit of lace here, and then a card that says, may I be kind to myself in this moment. Something we all need to remember, and maybe not be so hard on ourselves. Some little tabs here, also made from dictionary pages. This is a page out of a children's encyclopedia. This is one of my favorite pages in the whole journal. I learned how to do this from Kate Mower, and I will link to her video below because it was so inspiring. So what's fun about it is all the layers that are incorporated here. And you'll notice I tried to use a lot of greens because this is my friend's favorite color. So the top is a page from a like 1960s book. And when it flips out, there's a space for writing and more little cat stickers here on the side. Underneath it is some coffee dyed paper. There's a little belly band with a card. And at the bottom, there's also space. Whoops, let's see if that shows. For another little card, like tag. It's a tuck spot, so it's kind of hidden. And then we can flip up here, and there's more paper that folds out. And another tuck spot with a little card inside of it. And some jelly dyed paper at the, jelly printed paper, sorry, at the bottom. So I just love all those layers. Oh, there's even another tag here slid in at the top, and that has space to write on the back too. So there's a lot going on this page. In contrast, the next page, which is just the inside of the paper, is pretty heavy-duty cardstock scrapbook paper. It's just blank for lots of writing. It's another dictionary page with my friend's first initial. Here's another little tuck spot. The mushroom. This is like a burlap textured paper. More pockets, a little envelope on the inside. A little bit of ribbon. Oh, and you can see here, this is the central part, and I bound it once again with embroidery thread. Just a really simple 3-hole pamphlet stitch again. This is my go-to binding method at the moment. Some sticker on the back, and then a lot of the rest is, there's a little bit more open space. But here's the other side of the one I learned to do from Kate Mower again, and it's another really fun layered piece. So it flips up here, this just holds it down, and there's kind of a waterfall here of coffee and tea dyed paper, and I alternated how light, the dark light, dark light. So those are, you can all lift up and write on them. Then it flips open, there's some writing paper here, and another place with a, this is a journaling card, and a little piece of stationery. And there's just a sticker. So not maybe quite as complicated as the other side of it. Here's yet another pocket from a digi kit that had ledger paper and flowers on it. It's really lovely. So more space for my friend to go crazy. And this is the back of that blue one that you saw earlier. Where is it? The one here with the bee. So the back of that is also kind of multi-layered with a card that goes under here, a card that flips open. Of course, this is Kate again. This paper flips all the way open to be written on. And this also flips open up and down. So I think that's kind of fun. Yeah. And yet another pocket with another journaling card. The rest of the paper, and a really pretty pocket, I think. I'll need to look up. I know I got this on Etsy. I'm just forgetting which person I got it from, so I'll check, and I'll try to put the link below. So that's that journal, and it's going to come with this little pocket that I also made. So I took a scarf that had seen better days, and this is part of it that I ended up cutting up. And I made a little closure charm from a part of an earring where I had lost the other earring. I have so many single earrings. Distressing. Anyway, it clips on a little bulb pin. You can open it up. And then I lined the inside of the scarf with some music paper. And then there's various things tucked inside, some additional cards that my friend can use. This is, I think it's really cute. This is from Nick the Booksmith. She has some free downloads, and one of them is these teeny tiny little envelopes. I love them. And this is an altered paper clip I made, so you can see on the back it's a paper clip. And yeah, but on the front it has charms, lace. This is a faux stamp dictionary paper. Yeah, I hope you can see that a little bit. Anyway, I'm hoping she'll like it. At any rate, I had a lot of fun myself making it. I just can entertain myself for hours this way. And that is the point after all, isn't it? Thank you for watching yet another one of my little demo videos, or flip through kind of videos. I love it when people leave comments, so if you're able, leave me a comment below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again later. Bye.